Good morning, friends. With the pleasant mornings, today I have appeared with the informations and the latest informations of the property Applebrush Retreat. After devastations in this rainfall seasons, first times I want to interact with you, friends, for the informations of the property. Now the property is completely ready and the rooms are ready. Everything is ready at the property. Anyone who are planning to come to enjoy at the property in Tirthan Valley, so they are most welcome. They can come anytime. They can contact to me on my personal numbers, and this is your property is ready always for you. Thank you so much.